In scientific method, we have scientific process skills. For performing any experiment, the scientists need to follow these scientific process skills. In that, the first step is to observe and ask questions. Second one, form hypothesis. Third, plan an experiment. Fourth, conduct the experiment. Then fifth, draw conclusion and communicate the results. When we take the first step, that is to observe and ask question, you have to use your senses for observation. Then you have to record any one question that you can answer. Then you write down on a paper what you already know, gather some more information, decide what more information you need, and do some more research work on the same topic so that you can gain more information about that. In the second step, you have to form a hypothesis. Hypothesis means the possible answer that can be tested. For example, now you are taking in this experiment three types of soil, that is sandy soil, potting soil or loamy soil, and clayey soil. So these three types of soil, in that you are sowing same type of seeds, that is the bean seeds. So type of seed is same, but type of soil is different. So for this different type of soil, now you will guess and you will form a hypothesis that maybe in the loamy soil or in the potting soil, the seeds will grow very well. So you write down that hypothesis in your notebook, that I guess my hypothesis could be that loamy soil is very suitable and growth of the seeds can take place very well in loamy soil. Then write it and keep it aside. Then the next step after this, that is the third step we have to follow, which is to plan an experiment. When you plan an experiment, the three variables, here the variables are the different variety of soil, that is sandy, potting soil or loamy soil, and clay soil. So variables are the factors which can affect the outcome of any investigation. So here the changing variable is soil, whereas the fixed variable is water and light. Water is essential for the growth of any seed or plant, and also the light is very essential. So they are the fixed variable. Now the fourth step is conduct the experiment. When we are conducting the experiment, care has to be taken that three pots are filled with different types of soil, that is sandy, loamy, and clay. Then we have to water it daily and also provide it with sunlight. Then you have to observe as well as measure carefully. Then write down or record in your notebook what all changes you feel. You have to measure the length in centimeter of that particular plant which is growing. Then you have to organize your data so that you can study it carefully. Make a tabular form, and in that you have to uh, write the height of the plant. Fifth step is to draw conclusion and communicate the result. In this you have to analyze the data. You can make charts, tables, or graphs to show your data. Then you can write your conclusion. You have to write your conclusion and describe the evidence you have used to determine whether your test supported your hypothesis. First, your hypothesis was that the potting soil or loamy soil will be the best for the growth of that particular bean seed. At last, you will check it, that finally you will find that not only in the potting soil but equally in the sandy soil, the growth of the plant was good, but not in clay soil. So your hypothesis was wrong, and now you have to change the final conclusion.